Hey guys, today we're going to be taking a look at and installing the Corsa Sport Axleback exhaust for 2011 to 2014 GT Mustangs. You're going to want to be checking this out if you're looking for a loud axleback that's going to give you a ton of volume with absolutely no drone at all, that's made of great quality materials, and you don't mind paying for these qualities. And as far as price goes, this costs right about $770. And as far as loudness goes, I'm gonna call it a 4 out of 5 on the loudness meter, with 1 being a quiet upgrade and 5 being a very loud upgrade. The install for this I'll call a 2 out of 3 wrenches in the difficulty meter, and we'll go ahead and show you how to get it on your car now. For this install, we used a 3/8 drive impact gun, but you guys can use a 3/8 ratchet if you don't have one, a small extension, a 13mm socket, and an exhaust hanger removal tool. Alright guys, to start your uninstall, you'll need a 13mm socket. We're going to go ahead and loosen the clamp right here on our axleback. We also have already gone ahead and used some WD-40 on our hangers. It's just going to help us get our mufflers out of place a little bit easier. Alright guys, so the next step once our clamp is loosened is to get an exhaust hanger removal tool, and what we're going to do is we're going to use this to slide the hanger out right here in the back. Then we're going to go ahead and push forward on the muffler to get out of these rear hangers, and then we'll drop down the axleback. Here is the hanger by the tip that we're going to be removing. Alright guys, so what I've done here is I've now taken a pull jack and I've jacked up the over axle pipe, which made our muffler disconnect from the connection right here. And with it hanging out of the first hanger, all I have to do now is push backwards and get the muffler out of the rear hanger here. Alright guys, we are going to do the exact same thing on the other side. So we'll go ahead, take a 13mm socket, loosen this clamp here, get our muffler out of the front hanger, and then push back to release from these rear hangers here. Alright guys, so here is our factory axleback on the table with the Corsa axleback. First things first, when it comes to the Corsa Sport axleback, this is fully made of 304 stainless steel, and that's going to be your best bet if you want the most corrosion resistance. This is going to be a good option for a daily driver. Next, you have Corsa Sport mufflers. Now these are straight through mufflers, which means you're going to get a ton of volume and a ton of sound, but with absolutely no drone at all, which is one of Corsa's best features, besides the materials and their build quality. So you're going to get a growl at idle, and of course under acceleration this is going to get even louder. And this isn't even Corsa's loudest muffler in their lineup. Now the axleback is going to end in 4-inch polished stainless steel tips with the Corsa logo on it. With all that being said, let's go ahead and show you how to get this installed. So Corsa gives you new clamps for your axleback. We're going to go ahead, pull off our stock clamps, and get the Corsa clamps in place before we grab the axleback. Alright, so we'll grab our axleback. What I'm going to do is I'm going to slide into these hangers first. Alright, so before I slide all the way into the rear hangers, I am going to slide into the front hanger here. Once again, WD-40 is really going to help you out. Alright, so now I am going to release the pull jack on the over axle pipe. We're going to go ahead and make the connection at our axleback. Alright, so now we're going to tighten our clamp. Alright guys, so we are going to do the same thing on the other side. We'll go ahead, get our axleback up into place, start it in the rear hangers. Alright, so then we'll make our connection back here at the over axle pipe. Alright guys, that's going to wrap up this review and install. Keep in mind that you can always check this axle back out more online. I'm Stephanie, and for all things Mustang, keep it right here at AmericanMuscle.com.